How's it going, guys? It's Tom here from Careers. I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to register for UCAS. Now, registering isn't signing up. Registering is simply creating a profile that you can then add all your information to. For those of you who have already submitted applications, great. Make sure you're checking your track. But for those of you who haven't yet registered, please don't worry. You can submit an application up until the 30th of June. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is head to any search engine, whether that be Bing or Google, and type in UCAS. You'll then be brought to this, which will give you this link here. Once you've clicked on that, it will then take you to the UCAS homepage. Now, the UCAS homepage has got some really useful tips and tricks on how to conduct yourself during interviews, what tariff points you might be entitled to, but also how to search for courses. But for the sake of registering, what you want to do is head over to the right-hand side to this little icon here. You want to drop down to Students, and this will bring you up with these 4 choices. If you're on a Level 3 or Access to HE course, you will want to go onto the Undergraduate section here. You will then want to apply, and you'll be brought up with the Register and Login page. If you've already registered, you might have a username and a password. You can enter those details here and here. But if you've not yet registered for UCAS and you want to submit an application, you'll need to click on this button below. It will then take you through a couple of different tick boxes around terms and conditions. You accept all those, and it'll bring you to this page here. This is the start of the process to register. It'll ask for your basic information, so make sure you've got that to hand. But I'll let you guys crack on, and if you've got any questions, drop me an email.